Here I am approaching the end of row 5. I am still doing the single crochet. So I'm going to pull it tight. I'm going to grab a stitch marker real quick. Not the stitch marker I wanted, but I said I was going to be real quick, so I was. So now I have marked up here where I'm going to start cutting a long tail so I can weave in the ends. This is 100 chain. So now I'm going to set the green aside for now. And I'm going to go with, let's try pink. And of course it's going to be like a yarn birth. All right. Pink is not wanting to cooperate. Let's see what blue does. Blue was a little bit better. Yes, I have some yarn barf, but it won't take long to go through this. So I'm trying to put it off to the side over here to where it can be used easily. Because I just did the single crochet on the green. So I am moving on to the next color. If you lay your yarn just right off to the side, it should not tie up, but then there is times where it will tie up. So I will show you that in a moment. I almost have this all done. See, it wasn't too bad of yarn birth. So I'm going to slip stitch and put my hook in. Not slip stitch, slip knot and put my hook in. So here is how I laid the blue yarn that came out. So we put a stitch marker in here. That's the end I'm going to start on. Put it through. And just starting, I am going to hide the blue in. So this is going to be a stacked single. And now I'm going to do half doubles. You can do the starting as a pull through, chain 2. I will go over the stitch here in just a moment. I will do 5 rows of the half double for this next portion, section, color. So the green rows are going to be single crochet. The blue rows are going to be half double crochet. All right, so wrap around, go through, grab the yarn, pull through, wrap around and pull through 3. Wrap around, go through, and see, I hid that tail in there. This little piece right here, I can cut off. And now do the, so we're going to still continue and do the chain 1 turn at the end of each row. So this row, chain 1, turn. Another row, chain 1, turn, till you have 5 rows complete.